Hi, Coach. My name is Olivia. Today, let's review your dashboard in CoachVantage. Your dashboard is where you'll find all of your relevant information in one place. Your CoachVantage dashboard provides a quick overview of the current state of your coaching business. It's incredibly visually friendly and lets you see in one glance the information you need to run your practice effectively. Whenever you'd like to view your dashboard, simply click the Dashboard tab on the left-hand menu. On your dashboard, you will be able to view your upcoming appointments, client birthdays, who you're actively coaching, pending goals and assignments, pending forms, contacts, revenue, and lastly, your account snapshot. Now, let's take a closer look at each of these sections. In this section here, you'll find your upcoming appointments. Your upcoming appointments are displayed in chronological order from the earliest appointment date to the latest. Here, you can easily see that you have 3 upcoming appointments. In addition, you can see your client's name, program/appointment name, the start and end time of the appointment, and lastly, the location of the appointment. To manage an upcoming appointment, simply click on the 3-dot button menu here and then select View Details. This pop-up window displays more information about the appointment. You can also cancel or reschedule the appointment here. Next, let's look at the Client Birthdays section. CoachVantage will remind you of upcoming client birthdays in the next 3 months. This helps you remember to do something nice for your clients, like send them a birthday greeting. Once the birth date has passed, the client's name will no longer show on this card here. Please note that upcoming client birthdays will be displayed on the dashboard only if you have saved your client's birth date on their profile page. Please refer to the Contacts Profile page article in our Help Center to learn more. Now, let's scroll down to look at our list of active clients. The Active Clients table lists the details of your current coaching engagements with your clients. You're able to view the number of clients that are enrolled into your coaching programs and the progress status of each engagement. It's useful for you to see, in one glance, your current pipeline of business activity. This should help you decide if you need to hold back from taking on further clients for the time being, or to start actively working to fill your pipeline. As a quick tip, you can get to the relevant coaching management page for a particular client quickly by simply clicking on the program name here in the table. Going back now to your dashboard, if we take a closer look at this active clients list, you will see the client name, program name, enrollment date, start date, end date, status, and lastly, progress. To remove an entry from the Active Clients table, simply click on the 3-dot button menu and then select Clear from Dashboard. Please note that this action only removes the entry from your dashboard and does not actually cancel or delete the program you have with the client. Scrolling down further, let's take a look at the Pending Goals and Assignments section. This table lists all the goals and assignments that you have assigned to clients. If the due-by date has lapsed and your client has not completed the goal or assignment yet, you can click on the 3-dot button menu and select Send Reminder Email. CoachVantage will then automatically send a reminder email to your client, reminding them that they have an outstanding goal or assignment that's past due. To see more details about the goal or assignment, simply click on the 3-dot button menu and then select View Details. You will then be redirected to the program management page where you can see the details of the goal or assignment for that client. Any goal or assignment that a client has completed will be automatically removed from the table. Going back now, let's take a look at pending forms. This table lists all the forms that you have sent to clients. If the due-by date has lapsed and your client has not completed the form, you can click on the 3-dot button menu and then select Send Reminder Email. CoachVantage will then automatically send a reminder email to your client, reminding them that they have an outstanding form that's past due. Similarly to the other sections of your dashboard, to see more details about the form, simply click on the 3-dot button menu and then select View Details. You'll then be redirected to the Forms tab on the individual contact record page, where you can see the details of the form for that client. As a quick note, any form that a client has completed will be automatically removed from this table. Scrolling down further, you have a list of your contacts. Here, a pie chart is displayed, which gives you a breakdown of the different contact types that you have in your CoachVantage account. To understand more about contact types, please refer to the article titled Adding Contacts in our Help Center. Scrolling down further, here you'll see your revenue. This is where you can know exactly what your financial health looks like. The revenue section on the dashboard provides an overview of the revenue that you've earned. All revenue that you've earned through invoice payments, payments for your coaching program and events, is captured and displayed on this graph. Please note, we track the revenue only from invoices that have been sent out through CoachVantage's invoicing feature. To look for specific data points, select a date range by clicking in the Select Date Range search field. A pop-up calendar will display. Here, you can set your desired time frame, and then your revenue earned for the selected time frame will be displayed. Lastly on your dashboard is your account snapshot. The account snapshot provides a quick overview of the date you created your CoachVantage account on, the number of active contacts, your paid coaching hours logged, pro bono coaching hours logged, the number of active coaching programs that you have created in the programs page, and lastly, the number of active events that you have created in the scheduling page. And that concludes our overview video of your dashboard in CoachVantage. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that it has been helpful to you. Happy coaching!